Mayroon bang expiration ang pagiging vlogger mo? Meron ka bang balak na tumigil? When to stop vlogging? Listen very well. When to stop vlogging? When to continue uploading? How to set aside overthinking? Well, inhale, exhale, and just pray without ceasing. Uploading a video should not be a burden. Instead, it must be done joyfully from deep within. If you are tired and drained, just take a rest indeed. Then come back stronger and healthier like a tiny seed. Words of thunder straight from the heart. A person who is well focused and motivated will never stop and surrender. Instead, this type of person will rise up vigorously. Do you agree? Just like me, hindi po ako nawawala ng upload, diba? Halos araw-araw pa nga eh. Siguro iniisip mo, napakasipag naman ito. Palaging may oras sa kanyang YT channel. Alam mo kung bakit? Ito po kasi ang isa sa mga goal ko. Kailangan po palagi akong may upload. Alam mo ba? Nakapagod na rin naman po ako. On the other hand, ayoko po talagang masayang lahat ng pinaghirapan ko. How about you? Take time to reflect